First step to putting the bags in, gotta move the truck so it's in position and it's locked. Now let's try moving the truck. Now I gotta put the tarp down and put the bags in. Found my tarp. This is why I need a truck. If I had a real pickup truck, I could just throw these in the back of the bed, give no regard, and haul them off. But I got an enclosed truck. We're gonna call that good. That's a good start. Now I gotta load up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Got 6 bags. Here we go. There we got 1. These things are warm and wet at the bottom. It's disgusting. There's 2. This is a heavy one. Oh shit. Three. Here's a heavier one. Oh god, they're warm at the bottom. It's disgusting. There's 4. I gotta close them up real good. If you look, you'll see the trunk of this SUV truck here. It's all scratched up and scraped up, and we use it as a truck, as you can see. This might be the coolest one, or the last one. Oh god. Ugh. Oh yeah. We are room for 1 more for sure. Probably could fit 2 more if I needed to. This is the biggest one. Oh. Alright. 1, 2. Oh! This one's much lighter. It's fuller, but it's much lighter. Question of the hour is, will that close? Hell yeah. That right there, ladies and gentlemen, is proof that, well, if you want to, anything could be a truck. Just load it up, and now, time to take it to the disposal station. And look at the wet spots. Now, get my keys for the truck. Hop the hill in. Stinks in here, so you roll down a window or 2. And time to go. And as you can see, I did this so well that I can even still see out the back window, just a little bit. They close at 5 o'clock. This is how you be a redneck right here. You gotta be edgy. We live 5 minutes from here. I marked my words. I said we'd get here at 4:57. We got here at 4:56. Yeah, they're heavy, aren't they? So yeah. redneck cam, and you gotta pay $2 to dump. And see, there's people coming in and shit. So yes, anything, even a stupid little import, can be used as a truck in some instances. And he's getting the last of the baggies. And there is the giant pile. And that guy is going to fuck up his transmission towing with a Buick LaCrosse. That is a bad shit. That is not a truck. You put stuff in the trunk. Look at those mattresses. You just gotta launch them up there. Oh tits. I like all the different brands. You can see them all. You could have gone to the trunk. And that's the last one. Shut your tailgate for your truck. Close your door. And off we go. No, she doesn't. Is it muddy? Yes. Yeah, it's been raining today, so it's pretty. Use the tarp. Pretty muddy out today. That's what. See, I'm not wearing the right footing either. I'll admit it, but I didn't have time to put my boots on, and I wasn't getting out of the car. And now we go. And then sometimes you got to go to the post office, and you pull up really ghetto-ly, and you have to slide the shit in, and hopefully not kill yourself in the process. And then the last stop of the redneck delivery. Got to get your library shit at the library, actually. So we're home now, and you can see all the dirt because we drove on a dirt road, except some of it got washed by the rain. The tires on this car, or these are just wheel covers. The whole back's dirty. Got to take the tarp out. And this side, we almost got killed on the way home because we were driving 40 miles an hour, and some guy turning out of the apartment complex in a pickup, turning left, decided, oh, fuck me, and just disregard us going 40 miles an hour, and we had to slam on the brakes and almost hit him because he was a kumquat. He was just, oh, fuck me, decided to go, even though we were 10 feet from him. Well, when you're a redneck, you handle it redneckly, although I would have pulled out my gun, which I don't have. Not that I'm anti-gun by any means, in fact, I'm pro-gun by most means, but either way, take your tarp, and then you gotta return the tarp. Oh, fuck me. Oh, fuck me, there's shit everywhere in this goddamn garage. Take your tarp, shove it back in its place, and that was a redneck bag drop-off and delivery.